guys, it's Jasmyn
and Janaia,
and today we're making
Valentine Slime.
So if you didn't know, Jordan's birthday is on Valentine's Day, and I think it's going to be a great idea if we make them and put in these containers. That would be a great idea for your class or for whatever, a party or something. But Janaia's going to be making pink, I'm going to be making red. We're going to split it in half, put it in a container, and give one of them to Jordan. Don't tell him. Shh. So let's get started. We have a whole bunch of add-ins like these sequins.
Some
heart gems with different colors, pink beads, and we each have these pink foam. It's already kind of like slime, but we're gonna add it in slimeception. So let's pour in our glue. Now that we're finished and it's not that much, we're going to be adding in some clear glue since this is clear glitter glue.
I love the glitter colors, it's like hollow. Oh, I already put my spoon in.
Is that enough? There you go. Okay, now we're going to mix it. This is going to be one pretty Valentine slime with all these add-ins. It might be really crunchy too.
Yeah. Because we're going to have beads, foam balls, gems, glitter, sequins.
Okay, so I got mine all mixed in and it looks really pretty.
Mine's too. Except for mine's is a different color pink.
Okay, so I think now I'm going to add in some gems.
I think I'm going to add in some beads.
Just like a little handful of them.
Maybe just a little bit handful? Just a little.
I spilled it everywhere. I'm gonna choose this violet sequence. No,
I'm gonna choose just one. Wait, no, maybe two.
I'm gonna do this reddish pink one.
I'm gonna do two gems.
Two
types of pink gems. One is dark, one is light.
Look at those.
This is the dark one. No, I'm not putting my hands in there.
These sequins are so beautiful.
Yeah, I can't find another light one, so I'm gonna add this sequence too.
And I'm also gonna add the actual violet. I guess it's kind of purple. I had to get my hands in there because my spoon fell in. So I'm just gonna roll up my sleeves. Can you roll the sleeves up? Or down, I should say. I'm just gonna I'm
going to mix it. I think this is enough beads. Because I don't want it to be too hard.
These beads make it look so pretty.
I'm gonna make it a little bit.
It looks so pretty. You need to see this, guys. Look at this. Look.
I'm adding more purple.
It's so pretty.
I'm adding all purples. And I'm gonna use all
I guess purple's kind of a Valentine's color. Okay, I got that. This looks so pretty.
my spoon.
Her spoon fell in too. Okay, I'm gonna add.
I'm just gonna mix
in.
with my hands because obviously my hands are gonna get dirty anyway.
I think it's time for me to activate it, but mine's kind of looks like a rose slime. Like it's just so pretty.
I have my pink slime. My spoon fell in, so I'm gonna mix with my hands, and that did not turn out well. How are we gonna grab the tide?
Oh, my other hand. It's so okay.
It's so liquidy too. Can you help me pour some tide?
Sure.
I'll use my elbows to keep it in place.
No, I'm fine. Just like. Doing things with my left hand.
Don't pour it in my hair. Oh, that's it's cold. It's really, really cold.
What do you mean? Okay, it's already turning into slime and it's so pretty.
I know, right?
Like this is like real slime. It's like
this is like Valentine slime because it's Valentine slime. Get it?
Mine's is a rose Valentine slime. Look at this, guys. It's like a big blob of rose. Now that it's all kneaded, I'm gonna open up the foam. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna split it in half just to see how it looks like it. But you comment down below if you like it with the foam beads or without the foam beads. But after, I'm just gonna mix it all in to make one beautiful slime.
And also we had to take it out the bowl because it was ready. And there's extra Tide in the bowl, so I didn't want it to get hard, so I just took mine out. And same with me, I'm gonna split it. So
I did it! Guys, this was literally inside of... I didn't even notice that. I thought it was on the outside.
Let me see.
Anyways, I'm gonna split my slime in half.
I'm gonna see if this is in.
And my slime turned out to be pink instead of red, although I used only red glue, which is weird.
This is hard to come out.
Okay. I got my slime that I'm gonna be mixing the foam beads in. And let's just do it. I'm gonna add
Jasmyn's mine didn't have the thing. Oh, it was on the inside, but it didn't stick to mine. This is hard. It just feels hard because we were playing with soft slime.
Okay, I added in my foam beads. The foam is actually really hard, but I'm just like spreading it out in the slime. And this feels really good so far. Like this feels so good. Did you guys see that? This is like so beautiful. As a bee just comes out of it. The swirl of hearts. It would be really cool if we were actually able to make like a heart swirl. But we can't. Look at how much add-ins I added in. Okay, this is so beautiful.
I actually thought this was enough add-ins, but it's not because I love this. As Jasmyn said, the foam beads are a little bit hard, but yeah, so I'm just gonna add this in. I'm gonna add it to this piece, and I also splitted it. Oh, that is really hard inside the slime.
Look at this world, guys. This is just so beautiful. Like, I love it. Only if I could add like some gold, it would like be like rose gold. Like, look how pretty this is. I thought it would turn out to be red, but it's pink.
Look at all the add-ins I added in.
Okay, Comment down below if you like it with the foam or without the foam. I'm gonna make a swirl with both of them, but I love it with the foam, so after I'm gonna add in the foam to the other part.
Same with me. I think I added, I think I have more glue than Jasmyn. I mean, a bigger slime than Jasmyn, because it looks bigger and it's harder to
Okay.
make.
Which one do you like better? I think it's pretty obvious though. But you guys get to comment down below whether you like this one or this one I just
I
messed
kind
up.
of messed up the swirl. Yeah. So this swirl is
Which one
gonna
do you
be
like better?
swirl. So yeah.
Okay, so my swirl's kind of like flattened, but you could kind of see the swirl still. But I really love the
too.
foam.
Mine too. It flattened and you could barely see the line. But this one, actually you can see the line better than this, but I like this one better. So I'm gonna add the rest of this to this.
Yes. And the foam is kind of like perfect because it's red and pink.
I know, right? It's like meant to be Valentine's Slime Lab.
So now let's add it in.
Oh my goodness, this almost fell off the table.
Okay, I'm gonna add in this other piece now. Okay. I'm going to mix this into the other piece with the other piece because this is basically almost all mixed in. So you ready, Naya?
This is darker than this.
Because the foam beads make it look like that.
Hold up, let me just mix all the foam beads in.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's add it in 3, 2, 1.
I slapped the table.
Look at this big, beautiful slime. Mine's just like a rose slime, and it's so beautiful.
I love mine because it's like Valentine's color and it has so many add-ins, and the add-ins are so amazing.
Here, I have a heart. A very terrible heart, though.
Mine does worse, but I'm not done.
Do you see this? Look at this, guys. It's like it's glued together. Like it's like the slime is like very hard glue.
I have my heart.
Voila! Look at my heart. Ooh, here's a mini heart.
Look at my heart.
Look at my heart's heart. Look, guys, look. It's going boom, 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 boom. How? Wait. Look. Heartception. This heart has a heart that's next to a heart that has hearts in it. And my heart that has a heart has hearts in it.
It's a heartception.
Okay, so now we have our containers. Janaia has the orange and pink, and I have the green and blue. So this would like be a great idea for like school or a party, but we're gonna like add it, like fill one container up with our slimes and give it to Jordon since his birthday's on Valentine.
There's another section.
Well, what?
Pink, 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 and I have pink stuff in the pink.
Pinkception. Anyways, we're gonna fill up one container with our slime. So let's just do it. I'm gonna choose the green one for him.
I'm gonna choose the orange one for him because he does not like pink.
This is so pretty. Like, I'm shocked. I used red glue and it turned out pink.
I'm shocked because there's so much pink.
Look at the heart in the middle of the thing. Oh. Okay, I'm just curious to see if it like makes bubbles with all these add-ins and stuff. So let's first poke it.
Okay, let me just
Get out of here, yeet. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Let's do the poking.
Hold up, let me roll up my sleeves again. They're kind of falling.
Okay, ready? Let's poke it.
Okay, they're not good at poking, but they
It
might.
feels good when you poke it, though.
Yeah, because your fingers just like.
It just feels really good. Like, all the add-ins make it feel so good. But the true question is, can this slime
Make bubbles.
make bubbles? Let me just get this heart back in. See, a purple heart. This one is a pink heart. Okay. So let's just see. Will this make a bubble? Bubble. Every time I say bubble, like most of the time on this channel, I say bubble. It's fun to say. You try it. Bubble.
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 Okay, let's see. Come on, let's try to make a bubble.
Okay.
It does make bubbles. Okay, you ready, guys? I'm about to make a bubble with this. I was just like doing a little test, and like it works. Okay,
I'm gonna do it too.
it works. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh, hold on. That was terrible.
This could make a bubble. Why does it keep on falling?
What are you doing? You have a phloem on your face. On her eyebrow. New trend, guys. Phloem beads are now the new eyebrow makeup. Hold up.
Want eyebrow makeup? Just get normal.
I don't know if it's stuck. Hold up.
Oh, it's stuck to my face.
I don't even know if it's stuck. Okay, I'm about to make a bubble. Thanks for watching this Valentine slime video. These slimes turned out really good and really pretty. Look, rose slime. I'm kidding. But although I used red glue, it turned pink.
And they're the same color.
Even though hers was like, again with the hearts. Okay, please like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. And we'll see you guys next time. Bye.